5 seconds to go. Start. If any controversy or dispute involves accounting matters, either party may serve upon the other a written notice stating that such party desires to have the controversy or dispute resolved by any arbitrator who shall be a person qualified to act as auditor under the provisions of the Companies Act 1956. If the parties cannot agree within 15 days from the serving of such notice by either party on the selection of such arbitrator, he shall be designated by the President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India upon the request of either party. The decision and award of arbitrator shall be final and binding upon both owner and operator and shall not be subject to any appeal. All information exchanged during this meeting or any subsequent dispute resolution process shall be regarded as without prejudice communications for the purpose of settlement negotiations and shall be treated as confidential by the parties and their representatives unless otherwise required by law. However, evidence that is independently admissible or discoverable shall not be rendered inadmissible or non discoverable by virtue of its use during the dispute resolution process. Except the matter in controversy or dispute, all other terms and conditions of this agreement shall remain in full force and effect pending the award of the arbitration proceedings. Subject to clauses above, all disputes are subject to jurisdiction of Delhi courts. This agreement shall be governed by any construed in accordance with the laws of India. Having noted the article, it is also necessary to refer to the judgments referred to by the parties. Learned Counsel has relied upon the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of Wellington Associates Limited versus Kirit Mehta. In the said judgment, the Supreme Court was concerned with clauses 4 and 5 of the agreement therein, which read as: It is hereby agreed that if any dispute arises in connection with these presents, only courts in Bombay would have jurisdiction to try and determine the suit, and the parties here to submit themselves to the exclusive jurisdiction of the courts in Bombay. It is also agreed by and between the parties that any dispute or differences arising in connection with these presents may be referred to arbitration in pursuance of the Arbitration Act 1940 by each party, appointing one arbitrator and the arbitrators so appointed selecting an umpire. The venue of arbitration shall be at Bombay as such. The Supreme Court, while considering the aforesaid clauses, was concerned with the issue as to whether there is any binding arbitration clause. The Supreme Court, referring to a judgment of Rajasthan High Court in the case of B. Gopal Das versus Kota Straw Board AIR 1971, held that the words may be referred used in clause 5 read with clause 4 concludes that clause 5 is not a firm or mandatory arbitration clause, as it postulates a fresh agreement between the parties that they will execute to go to arbitration. the judgment is distinguishable on facts, insofar as the judgment of the coordinate bench of this court in Panchsheel constructions as referred to by learned counsel is concerned, the court was concerned with the following stipulations in the agreement therein: that in case of any difference of opinion between the first party or owner and second party or builder in regard to the interpretation or scope of his agreement of any part thereof, they should try to solve the problem to any arbitrator. The other clause in a collaboration agreement therein reads as under: that this transaction has taken place at New Delhi, and as such Delhi courts shall have exclusive jurisdiction to entertain any dispute arising out or in any way touching or concerning this deed. This court in Panchsheel constructions, by referring to the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of Wellington Associates Limited, has held that the said judgment squarely applies to the facts in as much as the usage of the words tried to solve does not give a binding effect to the purported arbitration agreement between the parties. The court also distinguished the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of Everest One Elevator Guide Rail Manufacture Company Limited, on which reliance was placed by the petitioner therein, insofar as the judgment in the case of Quick Heal Technologies Limited, as relied upon by learned counsel, is concerned. The Bombay High Court was concerned with a dispute resolution clause which reads as: all disputes under this agreement shall be amicably discussed for resolution by the designated personnel of each party, and if such disputes cannot be resolved within 30 days, the same may be referred to arbitration as stated below. Disputes under this agreement shall be referred to arbitration as per the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 as amended from time to time. The place of arbitration shall be at Pune and language shall be English. The arbitral tribunal shall comprise one arbitrator mutually appointed, failing which three arbitrators, one appointed by each of the parties and the third appointed by the two so appointed arbitrators. Stop.